Another step towards getting justice for Junior today as two more men convicted in the murder of Belmont teen Lesandro Junior Guzman-Feliz learned their fate in court. News 12's Eli Murillo has more on the sentencing of Diego Suero and Frederick Then and what Junior's mother had to say about it today.
God and my faith and my hope is the one who helped me.
Lesandro-Feliz faced defendants Diego Suero and Frederick Then in court today as Judge Martin Marcus sentenced both men to 25 years to life in prison in the murder of her 15-year-old son, Lesandro Junior Guzman-Feliz.
4 years ago when this incident happened, I stood before this county and promised that we would do all we can to find justice for this 15-year-old innocent person who was brutally murdered by a gang, a violent gang here in this county.
Both Suero and Then were found guilty of second-degree murder back in July after directing orders of violence that ultimately led to Junior's death at a bodega on East 183rd Street here in the Bronx. Bronx District Attorney Darcel Clark says both are leaders of the Los Sures set of the Trinitarios gang and that Junior was mistaken for a rival gang member.
The message here is one that we have to do everything we can to protect our youth. A mother here has been hurt. She will never see her son again. But for those who choose gang life, need to know that this is where it ends.
5 other gang members are already serving time for murder convictions related to that tragic night on June 20th, 2018.
My son was an innocent kid. And he was only 15 years old. And I don't have nothing for my son in the future, like my grandchildren. I don't have no family for my son.
When Junior's mother took the podium in court here today, she made clear that 2 people died that night, her and her son. The remaining 6 defendants are set to make an appearance in court on September 29th. We're at the Bronx County Hall of Justice. Eli Murillo, News 12.